Hey, what's up, people? It is the Motivational Mack with another inspirational chat. Got my man Inspirational Chat. What up, what up, what up? We got Faith. We got Enzo in the benzo. We got the ether, the speaker. We got the Empress. And we are in Wynwood of the Miami. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. It is beautiful. It's like, no, it is beautiful. It is. It is. People out here taking pictures. It is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It is amazing. Look. I wish I could show y'all. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Look on the buildings. Look on the buildings. They be loving. They be loving. They be loving. What's that? Oh, now here we are. To my other smoke shop. To my other smoke shop. Oh, what's up, people? Yes, the Mac is going live once again. Every time. Oh, no mask. No mask. They said it. They said the Mac has to go. They said it. They said the Mac has to go with no mask. All right. I'm going to put this on the video. Hey, how are you? Elbow? Elbow? You know I love you.
Boy, if you don't
No, I'm just playing.